A 10 kg block or box slides down a frictionless surface, section AB of a height 3.5 meters. Then the box moves through 4 meters on a rough horizontal surface, section BC, before coming to rest at point C. So la statements nama-answer bafowethu. Statement ila kunama-answer khona. Okay, a box slides, no applied force. We assume our initial velocity 0 meters per second. Now, bafuna ukuthi sicalculate, okay, i-velocity at point B asiyazi. But into esiyinothisayo bathi slide down a frictionless. So kule section le curve le AB, i-frictional force ayikho. Yini okufanele siyicabange uma ngabe i-frictional force ingekho? Khona into kufanele siyicabange emakhanda ethu. Nansi into kufanele siyicabange, i-mechanical energy. The mechanical energy at point A izolingana ne-mechanical energy at point B. Yileyo nto le kufanele siyicabange. Once nje kwathiwa the surface is frictionless, le formula siyakhona ukuyisebenzisa. Khumbule le formula le ayikho kwi-formula sheet awuyitholi. I-mechanical energy at point A izolingana ne-kinetic energy at point A plus the potential energy at point A. Kinetic energy at point B plus the potential energy at point B. So ngapha half mv squared at point A plus mgh at point A is equal to half mv squared at point B plus mgh at point B. So ile formula le kufanele siyicabange uma ngabe kwathiwa nje the surface is frictionless. So ayikho i-frictional force, meaning the mechanical energy is conserved. The total mechanical energy of an object at point A will be equal to the total mechanical energy of an object at point B, since i-frictional force ingekho. So i-mass yale object njengoba to 10 at point A, i-velocity u-0. Okay, sengiqalile nje ngiyacalculate, but ake silandele umbuzo ukuthi uthini. Uthi umbuzo, calculate the gravitational potential energy at point A. At point A, before ngizoqhubana naleya calculation yami, kodwa nale formula siyivula kanje bafowethu. Le ndlela esiyivula ngayo. Sengingalandela-ke umbuzo ukuthi umbuzo wona ufuna ini. Umbuzo uthi, calculate the gravitational potential energy at point A. Bafuna i-gravitational potential energy, ngamanye amagama bafuna u-EP at point A. U-EP olingana no-mgh. I-mass u-10, constant 9,8. I-height ye-object at point A u-3,5. So kuzoba u-10 times 9,8 times 3,5. Kuzoba 343 joules. So that is the gravitational potential energy at point A. So at point 1.2, calculate the kinetic energy at point B. Kinetic energy u-EK. EK ulingana nobani? No-half mv squared. I-mass ye-object u-10. I-velocity ye-object at point B anginayo. Anginayo. But ngeke ngibuyele back kule formula le. Yile formula engangisiza. Inansi formula. Ukuthi the mechanical energy at point A is equal to the mechanical energy at point B. So ngapha kuleli side elingapha masibuka-ke kinetic energy object lapha ku-point A, mass yakhona u-10, i-velocity u-0 plus i-potential energy at point A bese ngiyicalculate-ile ngithola ukuthi u-343 is equal to half i-mass u-10, velocity at point B unayona plus i-mass u-10 times 9,8 times i-height ye-object at point B. This is the ground position. Object masifika laphana ku-point B, i-height yayo u-0. So leli side lo kuzoba u-0 plus 343 is equal to 5 VB squared. Le part engapha izoba u-0. So ngizogcina sengisele no-5 VB squared. 343 divide by 5 divide by 5. Low cancel lawyer. VB squared is equal to, so 343 divided by 5 uzongikhiphela 68,6 square on both sides, square root on both sides. So ibhola noma i-box izofika ngo-8,28 meters per second lapha ku-point B. So i-velocity yala 8,28 meters per second. So ngaso sonke isikhathi noma isikhathi esiningi bazojwayela ukuyisebenzisa le formula le ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola ukuthi i-box mase lifika lapha ku-point B lizofika ngayiphi i-velocity. Bazobe bekutshenile ukuthi le section AB is frictionless. So wena-ke uzobe usukhumbula le formula ethi mechanical energy at point A is equal to the mechanical energy at point B. Khumbule i-height ye-object at point B u-0 ngoba suke sifike phansi object kwi-ground. At point A yile ozobe inikeziwe njengamanje la sinikeza u-3,5. Okay. So equation elandelayo ithi ithi calculate the velocity of the box. Okay. Sitholile i-velocity. Sitholile i-velocity. Into esingakayiphenduli inaphuzana i-kinetic energy. So sesinayo i-velocity at point B, sesingawuphendula loya mbuzo loyana. Kahle kahle bekufanele siqale ngalo mbuzo lo. Ngixolele imade ngenza lama-questions ngaset. Bekufanele ngiqale nganawo umbuzo. Ngibuze ukuthi asicalculate i-velocity kuqala, mase siyitholile i-velocity bese kuyikhathi ngithi asicalculate the kinetic energy. So EK is equal to half mv squared. I-mass u-10. I-velocity efike ngayo ku-point B u-8,28 all squared. Khathi so-calculate the kinetic energy of an object at point B. Half times 10 times 8,28 squared. So i-kinetic energy at point B iyona leyo. Joules ngaso sonke isikhathi makuthiwa energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, work done, ama-unit joules ngoba sesikhuluma nge-energy. Okay, so la ama-questions angiwahlela kahle, ngiwalandelanisanga kahle. Okay, ngiyaxolisa kuleyo ndawo leyo. Question elandelayo ithi calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. So fanele calculate i-coefficient of kinetic friction mangabe le box isi-mover from point B ize siyofika ku-point C, ngoba yila khona le box e-experience i-frictional force. So before si-calculate i-frictional force, ngoba kuzofanele siqale si-calculate i-frictional force bese ngekhathi sizo-calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction. Kahle kahle into abayibuzayo la bathi asi-calculate u-mu K ukuthi ubani, kodwa ngeke sikwazi ukuthola u-mu K singayitholanga u-F K. F K naye asinayo, kodwa ake siqale si-draw i-free body diagram, siveze wonke ama-forces a-acta kuleli box uma selimuva from point B to point C. So kuzoba khona i-normal force, kube khona u-FG, kube khona u-FK. Iwona-ke ama-force lawa actayo, ayikho i-applied force. So i-object yethu izomuva nje la, izobe imuviswa i-momentum ezobe inayo, but i-applied force ayikho. Okay, the only force e-parallel to the surface i-frictional force. So njengamanje bathi asicalculate u-mu K, njengoba bethi asicalculate u-mu K abasinikezanga i-frictional force. Yes, i-normal force singakhona ukuyithola, but njengamanje i-normal force iyodwa ngeke zisisize ngalutho. Into esiyaziyo thina futhi ukuthi the velocity at point C izoba u-0. Ngisho ngani? Before coming to rest at point C. So kusho ukuthi izofika ime i-object yethu lapha ku-point C. Final velocity kuzoba u-0. Sesinayo i-velocity i-box efike ngayo ku-point B. Mase silibuka leli box lethu lisuka ku-point B liya ku-point C. I-initial velocity yethu kuzoba u-8,28 meters per second. Bese siya kwi-formula yethu. W net is equal to change in EK. Ngapha sibuka ama-forces that are parallel to the surface. Mangaki? Iyodwa. So okusho ukuthi sine-work done by frictional force kuphela, since iyodwa i-force e-parallel to the surface. Lawa amanye siwa-calculate-ile siwabona ukuthi awu-0. Ngapha we have half m vf squared minus vi squared. Mase sivule inakhuzana yethu, we have fk delta x cos of theta half m vf squared minus vi squared. Okay, i-frictional force yethu sifuna yona delta x ngu-4, object yethu izohamba 4 meters cos. Okay, object yethu izobe iyakwa-right delta x, frictional force iyakwa-left, the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question 180 is equal to half. I-mass yethu u-10. Final velocity izofike ime. Initial velocity siyibukiswa ku-point B u-8,28 all squared. Abantu-ke mase befike la bese befuna ukumayinazi inamba enkulu kwencane la, bethi i-final velocity kufanele ibe nkulu kune-initial velocity. Cha, i-final velocity akube i-velocity yokugcina. I-velocity yokugcina u-0. I-velocity yokuqala u-8,28. Siyifake accordingly, singaphambanisi izinto because uma sisiphambanisa izinto simosha izinto ey'ningi. Ayikho into yokuthi i-final velocity ifanele ibe nkulu noma ifanele ibe ncane. Ayikho into enjalo. Kuya ngokwe-situation esibhekene nayo ngaleso sikhathi leso. So, uma sishaya kuleli side elingapha, 10, 0 squared minus 8,28 squared. Abantu futhi elinye iphutha kufanele baliyeke ukulenza. Ngizokhomba khona manje. Okay, ileli phutha leli lokuthi u-squared bangamfaki la phakathi u-squared. Laphaya bacime laphaya. Kodwa u-squared abantu bamfake ngaphandle. Bamfake u-squared la ngaphandle. I-wrong leyo nto leyo. I-wrong and isho enye into. Ngisho ungayishaya i-calculator uzobona ukuthi uzothola ama-answers ahlukene angafani. So, amaphutha esilokhu siwa-observe-a nje ey'nganeni uma ngabe simakha. Okay, 4 cos of 180 ngapha kuzoba u-minus 4 FK, then divide by minus 4 on both sides. U-FK uzolingana nobani? So 342,79 divided by 4. FK wethu uzolingana no-85,69 newtons. Okay, sesimtholile u-FK ukuthi ulingana nobani? I-question yethu elandelayo bengingashongo ukuthi asithole u-FK thina. I-question ithe calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction, but sesinawo FK sekulula ngokubuka i-free body diagram yethu, i-force eyaphezulu iyodwa, i-force eyaphansi iyodwa, and i-object yethu ayimove kuya phezulu, ayimove kuya phansi. Lokho kusho ukuthi kusilungele ukuthi sithi i-normal force iyalingana no-Fg ngokwale case, hhayi ukuthi kuyohlezi kulingana. mg i-mass u-10 times 9,8. 10 times 9,8. Skip el-98 newtons. So sesinayo i-normal force, sinayo FK. Manje sesingazama ukusolva sithole u-μk. I-formula sheet yethu nasiya khona siyayifica i-formula nje. Noma-ke ithi max laphaya ekugcineni phezulu. Ingakhuzana i-frictional force yethu u-85,69. Normal force yethu 98. Kusho ukuthi u-μk wethu uzoba 85,69 divided by 98. Uzoba 0,7, 0,87. Ayinawo ama-unit. Ile nto kade beyifuna. Okay. Okay. Siyabonga usisiwe. Now, sesiyitholile into kade siyifuna.